Captains, love on waves. Sea captains in the 1800s could legally marry you, but it wasn't because of any mystical maritime tradition. Instead, their authority stemmed from a practical necessity. With weeks or months spent at sea, isolated from the rest of the world, captains needed to perform duties that would typically require legal authority. This included officiating marriages, a task that could become essential when love blossomed aboard, or when the ship needed to anchor the legality of inheritance rights or family matters during those long voyages. These captains weren't just seafaring adventurers, they were the law on the high seas. Imagine being days away from land, with no immediate access to courts or clergy. In such instances, the sea captain's ability to officiate was indispensable. However, it wasn't a power they could wield whimsically. The marriage had to be consensual and, upon returning to port, was often subject to the scrutiny of legal systems to ensure its validity. Their ability to marry people was more about practicality than romance. It was a matter of ensuring order and legal compliance in the floating microcosm of society that a ship represented. This ability to officiate was a rare blend of necessity and authority, making the captain's role not just about navigation but also about maintaining societal structures in the middle of the ocean. So, while the idea of a captain marrying lovers on the whim sounds romantic, it was more about survival and governance at sea. It's a fascinating insight into how the boundaries of law and love were navigated in those vast, lonely expanses of water, with the captain acting as the bridge between land-based legalities and the boundless freedom of the ocean.